Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and enjoying at home. Already you have attended some of your other subjects online classes. Now here is your one more subject. So I Veena Sharma welcome you all in the first session of mathematics class. Okay, now before we start, let me show you the book which we are going to follow in this session in class 2. Okay, so this is your book. Name of the book is Practice Mathematics of Green Earth Publication. Name of the book is Practice Mathematics of Green Earth Publication. Okay, so let's start. The first chapter in this book is numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, this numbers one to 100 and it is revision part. Revision means in this chapter we are going to revise the concepts. We are going to solve the exercises which you have already studied in class 1. Okay. So there are some digits with the help of which we form or we make the numbers. Okay. And what are these digits? These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. These are the 10 digits which we use to form the numbers. Okay. Now these symbols or digits are also known as Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numbers. Okay, the numbers, the digits or the symbols which we use to form the numbers are known as Hindu-Arabic numbers. Okay, these all are 0 to 9. These digits are also known as Hindu-Arabic numbers. Okay, now let's start with one digit number. So, the numbers from 1 to 9. The numbers from 1 to 9 are one digit numbers. Why they are called one digit number? Because here in this we are using only one single digit. Okay, one single symbol or digit from this to write the number, to form this one digit number. Okay, now here the very first number, that is 1. 1 is the smallest one digit number. Smallest one digit number is 1. Okay, smallest one digit number is 1. Now, which is the greatest one digit number? This is 9. And what comes after 9? What comes after 9? Yes, it is 10. Okay, it is 10. And 10 is a two-digit number. Why? Because here we are using two digits, 1 and 0. Okay, so 10 is a two-digit number. So the last number, last one-digit number, that is 9. 9 is the greatest one-digit number. Okay, greatest one-digit number is 9. Clear? Which is the smallest one-digit number? It is 1. And which is the greatest one-digit number? It is 9. Okay. Now, two-digit numbers. Here it is 10. The very first number, two-digit number is 10. And numbers from 10 to 99. Numbers from 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. Now the first smallest number is 10 here. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Okay. Now, what comes after 99? You all know it is 100. Okay. What comes after 99? It is 100. And 100 is a 3-digit number. Why? Because here we are using 3 digits. What are they? 1, 0 and 0. We have used 3 digit here. So this is a 3-digit number, and the last 2-digit number is the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. So greatest 2-digit number is 99. Okay, greatest 2-digit number is 99. Now what is 100 then? It is the smallest 3-digit number. It is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now let us repeat one time. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Then the greatest 1-digit number is 9. Then smallest 2-digit number is 10. And greatest 2-digit number is 99. After that, which is the smallest 3-digit number? It is 100. Okay? Clear all of you? Now, when we add 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, when we add 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, what is greatest 1-digit number is 9. So 9 plus 1, when we add, we get 10. Okay? We get 10. So by adding 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, we get smallest 2-digit number. Similarly, in the same way, when we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, when we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, we get 100. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that when we add 1 to greatest 2-digit number, we get smallest 3-digit number. Clear all of you? Okay, so now let's begin with 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers have 2 places, that is tens and ones. Okay, 2-digit numbers have places, that is tens and ones. Now take one number as an example. Suppose I have taken this number 17. Okay, now here the number which is written at right hand side, which number is written at right hand side? It is 7. Okay, so this number 7 has the place of ones. Okay, 7 is at ones place, and the number which is at left hand side, that is 1, is at tens place. Okay, so 2-digit numbers have 2 places, that is tens and ones. The number which is at the right side, written at the right hand side, has ones place, and the number which is written at left hand side has tens place. Okay, now it can be written as 1, 10. Okay, it can be written as 1, 10 and 7 ones. Okay, 1 10 and 7 ones. Now what is 1 10? 1 10, 1 10 10, that is 10 plus 7 ones. 1 times 7, that is 7. Okay, so what is it? 10 plus 7 is, it forms the number 17. Okay, it forms the number 17. Now let's take another example. 25. Okay, now which number is written at the right hand side? Which number is written at the right hand side? It is 5. So we'll write 5 at ones place, and the number which is written at the left hand side, it is 2. So it has tens place. Okay, it has tens place. Now 2 tens and 5 ones. We can write it as 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so we can write 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 times 10. So it will be 20 and 5 ones. Okay, we can write 5 ones as 1 times 5 means 5. So 20 and 5. 20 plus 5, 20 and 5 together form the number 25. Okay, clear all of you? So 2-digit numbers have 2 places, that is tens and ones. The number which is at right hand side is at ones place, and the number which is written at the left hand side in this 2-digit number is at tens place. Okay, here 5 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. Okay, so I hope now tens and ones places is clear to you. Now you have to write in tens and ones. Okay, I'm giving you this number 75. Now you have to write this number in tens and ones. Okay, now which number from this 75, which number will write tens place and which number will write at ones place? Now see, the number which is at right hand side will write at ones place. Okay, 5 ones will write as 5 ones, and the number which is written at the left hand side, that is 7, will write in tens place, that is 7 tens. So how can we write this given number in tens and ones with the places, that is 7 tens and 5 ones. Now 18. Here 18. Now fill the blanks. What will we write here before 10? At this place we'll write the number which is at left hand side. Okay, that is 1. 1 10. 1 is at tens place. So we'll write 1 10 and 8 at ones place. Okay, 8 here. It is at right hand side. So we'll write 8 at ones place. So it is 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay. Now 30. Again, how will we write this in tens and ones? Here we'll write 3 at tens place. Okay, now 0 is at ones place. Okay, 1. So 3 tens and 0 1. Okay. Now write 49. Which number will write at ones place? The number which is at right hand side, and that number is 9. Okay, 9 is at right hand side, so it is at ones place. And another number in 49, that is 4, is at left hand side, and so we'll write as 4 tenths. Okay, 4 tenths. Okay, so now how to write the number names? Okay, number names. What do you mean by number names? Number names means writing the numbers in words. Writing the numbers in words. Okay, let us take an example. 58. You have to write the number name of 58. You have to write this number in words. Okay, so now you know the places of this 2-digit numbers. 8 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. Okay, so we can write it as 5 tens and 8 ones. Okay, so what is 5 tens? 5 tens is 50. Okay, 5 times tens, and then 8 ones, it is 8. So how will you write the number name? It is 58. It is 58. FIFTY 50, EIGST 8, 58. Now 29. Okay, again see here, 9 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. Now write it in tens and ones. So 2 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones. Okay, so what is 2 tens? It is 20. 2 tens is 20. 2 times 10, and then 9 ones is 1 time 9. Okay, so how will you write the number name? It is 29. It is 29. 29. TWENTY 20. NINE 9. Now let us take one more number. 91. Okay, here again 1 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place. Okay, so first of all we are writing tens and ones. So 9 tens and 1 1. Okay, so what is 9 tens? It is 90, and 1 1 is just 1. Okay, so the number is 91. 91. It is spelled as NINETY ONE 1. Okay, 91. Got it, all of you? So let us take some more examples. 1 8. Okay, now 8 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. Okay, so it is 1 10 and 8 1. So 1 and 8. Okay, 10 plus 8 together forms the number 18. So its number name is EIGSTEEN 18. Okay. Now another 40, 40. See, 0 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. 4 tens. Okay. 4 tens means 4, 0, 40. Okay. 0 is at ones place. So 4 and 0 forms the number 40. So its number name is FORTY, 40. Okay. Then 99. The number is 99. 9 is at ones place and again the 9, another 9 is at tens place. Okay. So 90 and 9. So its number name is 99. NINETY, NINE. Okay. Now we'll learn how to write numerals from number name. Okay. How to write the numbers when number names are given. Okay, now write the numerals from the given number names. Now let us take one number name. It is 43. Okay, 43. Now from this number name, you have to write the number 43. 40 means here 4 tens. So here means that 4 is at tens place. Okay, and 3 is at ones place. So 4, 3, 43. Now SIXTY, 66. Okay, so here we'll write this 6 which is at ones place. Okay, it is alone means it is at ones place. We'll write 6 at ones place. 6 ones. Okay, and 60. 60 means 60, which means 6 tens. That is 6 at tens place. Okay, so number is 66. Now $19. The number is 19. How do we write the number 19? In numerals, in this we write 9 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Okay, 1 10 and 9 ones. So 1 and 9 together forms the number 19. Okay, then which number is this? EIGHTY 80 THREE 3. Okay, so we'll write here 3. 3 is alone, so that means it is 3 ones. We'll write 3 at ones place and 80. 80 means 8 tens. We'll write 8 at tens place. So the number is 83. Clear all of you? Okay. So let us recap what we have learned today. Okay. So first of all, the digits which are used to form the numbers. Okay. Then the smallest and greatest one digit number. So which is the smallest one digit number? It is 1, and greatest one digit number is 9. Then smallest and greatest 2-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number is 10 and greatest 2-digit number is 99. Then we have learned writing the 2-digit numbers in tens and ones. Okay, writing in the 2-digit numbers in tens and ones. Then you have learned how to write the numbers name. And write in numerals. Write in numbers. Okay. I hope all these topics are clear to you. And now I would like to give one homework. You have to learn the spellings from 1 to 100. Okay. You have to learn the spellings from 1 to 100. That's all for today. Take care and keep learning.